There's love in every bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash!
Hi, I'm Gisele. Welcome to the Gisele Mishmash, where we'll have a whole mishmash of fun together. And we will learn along the way. Right now, I would like to learn, what is my kitten Marble doing? She's putting her paws inside my Bestie Basket and she's looking deep inside of there. Marble, what are you doing? What are you looking for, Marble? What's in my Bestie Basket? Yeah, she keeps reaching her little paws inside of my basket. What happens if I lift my Bestie Basket? What happens then? Hey, what are you looking for? Oh, you gonna come down? Whoop, oh, up and down. That's a fun ride. Whoop, up and down. Are you having fun, Marble? Up and down. Okay, what would you like inside of my Bestie Basket? Should you wanna come and see? You wanna come and take a look? What's in there? Maybe she just likes the ride. Up and down. Okay, well, I guess that's her way of having a mishmash of fun. All right, let's see what other fun we will have here in the Gisele Mishmash. I am on a color quest. I'm on a quest to find the color yellow. Do you see anything that's yellow? Oh! This fire hydrant is yellow. Aww. And it's such a happy fire hydrant. It's smiling. Hello, happy fire hydrant. All right, let's see what else is yellow. Do you see anything? That door is yellow. Wow, that door is so bright and cheery. Oh, to have a yellow door would just welcome you right at home, wouldn't it? All right, let's continue our color quest. What else is yellow? Huh. That sign is yellow. That yellow sign means the road is bumpy. Another reason that it's safer to be on the sidewalk, because the sidewalk is not bumpy. Oh, do you hear that? Sounds like a bumblebee. A bumblebee is yellow. Oh, I think I'll just freeze here. And maybe the bee will go be a bee somewhere else. There's the bee. All right, I'm just gonna stay here and we'll check out the rest of the Gisele Mishmash.
Osman, Enyo, Osman, oh, Ochi, Abaki, yo. Hey, Osman, Eji, Ochi be popo, Chipa, Puchu, Pale, popo. Ah, Osman, Osman, eh, Ochoma, Push, Echo Pope, Echo Polam Pan Function by. Eh, hello, Grub. Oh, it's more fun than Jay. Yeah! Oh, it's more. Hey, when, hey, oi. Oh, it's. Huh? What's more made you by? Oh, it's more. Hey. Whoa! Smooth fun, you more. Smooth, yes, more. Og!
Hello, welcome, Grub.
Og! It's more, yes, more. It's more, it's more, fancy.
The item you possess is a phone.
Phone?
Phone is a device that you use to speak with someone.
Oh? Oh! Oh! It's my fuzzy man. Hey! Who's my? Oh! It's my fingy. Oh, it's my name, oh, Baji. Baji, mo, Punch, bum, punching, fo, bashmani.
Warning, warning. When you press the numbers on the phone, you make a call to someone. You cannot press any random numbers. To end the call, you hang up by pressing the off button.
Oh? It's more. Oh. Sorry. Oh. Yeah! Who's mommy? Papa, Hey!
Warning, warning. A phone is a delicate device and should not be hit.
Huh?
When a phone rings, you pick up the phone and press the talk button.
뭐지? it's more?
Now say hello into the mouthpiece.
Hello?
To listen to someone speak, you must put the phone to your ear.
Hello? Grub? Huh? Oh. What's me? Moest maar in a friend, een spoor ook, een grub. Is mooi, wat is me? Oh, is maar een bom van je. Wat is me? Oh, zo, emoji.
Well done, Grub. You now know how to speak with someone on the phone.
Oh, is to banjo. Oh, no, is man bonje. Yeah.
Do you like to make art? Maybe make a painting, draw a picture, make a craft? Well, I love art, and I love to receive art, your art. So please, take a picture of one of your pieces of art, your masterpieces, and then I can display it here on my mantelpiece, such as this piece of art. It's made by Emily, who's 6 years old, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Look at this. This is called 3 Dancing Ballerina Cats. Ah, I love it. Let's count the cats. Can you see them? Look, 1, 2, 3. That's right, 3 dancing ballerina cats. And they have their tutus and they're dancing and they're so happy to be dancing. And they have these lovely little hats on their heads. And there are little hearts that are sticking out. A couple of those hats, like little crowns. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Emily. I shall put it right here behind my flower and unicorn to display it on my mantelpiece. Look how great that looks. Ah, it's beautiful. Thank you, Emily. And I'm hoping that I can receive more art, more masterpieces for my mantelpiece. So please ask a grown-up to help you. Take a picture of one of your pieces of art, and then you go to giselemishmash.com, just like Emily did with her mom, and then you upload the picture of your piece of art, your masterpiece, and then I receive it. I print it, and I display it to share it with everybody else here on my mantelpiece. So please do so. And aside from that, I will see you next week, next Wednesday, here in another video of the Gisele Mishmash. Okay, thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon. I send you a mishmash of love.
The Gisele